Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can log into your Dropbox account. So if you've been using Dropbox for a certain while in order to upload different files or to transfer or to share the files amongst anybody, this is what you need to do in order to log into your account. So for this, first of all, head over to your Dropbox app that you've downloaded on your mobile device. And then as you open up the app, you will land on an interface that looks like this. Here you will have different options to sign in, that is either signing in with Google or simply signing in. If you had earlier signed up by using Google, use Google, otherwise use the sign in button. As you do this, you will now have to enter your email address over here. So I'm just going to enter my email address. And after doing this, also enter the password that you had set for your account. As you do this, tap on the sign in button and wait for a certain while until you're directed towards the interface that shows up that you have been logged into your Dropbox account. So here currently I'm just waiting for the proceedings to complete, and now it says that the profile is getting loaded. And then as you get welcome to Dropbox, you can just start with backing up your photos, sharing photos or files, scanning documents, accessing your files everywhere, or just skip the process for now by tapping on the skip button on the top right corner. As you do this and tap on the bottom right corner account section, you'll be able to see that you have now gotten logged into your account. So this is basically how it works. It's quite a simple process, and I hope that this video has been able to guide you through it. If you found this video helpful and used this video in order to log into your account, do let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you get reminded every single time that How to Geek comes up with a new tutorial video. Thank you for watching, you guys. I'll see you around in the next video.